What's up, Xiaomi fans? This is Christian, and today we're going to talk about the Mi AirDots. So, here we go. I just got this a few days ago, and finally I can open it. A special thanks to ERA International Network for the product. You can check the link on the description below on where to buy this in Singapore. Okay, it comes with a standard specs as printed on the box, outside of the box itself, but unfortunately I can't read it, it's all in Chinese. So at the back you can actually see there's a sticker for Mi. This is where you can check if it's an authentic product. You can check it online. So we're just gonna go ahead and open this. Okay, so what we have here, okay, these are the sizes of the ear cushions, so you can use it, and yep, this is it. So we have the AirDots itself, so it comes with a case, okay, so which we can put our left and the right side of the AirDots. Okay, it's a very nice design, it's very handy. So we can take out this. Okay, so we have the left side, and it has a little mic over there. So each of this side has a microphone, so you can use it individually, or you can use it together. Okay, so we can put that in the case. Before that, let's check the back. Okay, this is the charging port. It's using a micro USB, and at the bottom it has the print for the battery info. So once we put that in, okay, it looks like the other one's on the pairing mode and the other one is charging. Yeah, both are charging now. So the red light there shows that it's charging. So what else is in the box? We can take a look. It looks like it's a manual. Okay, so here's the manual with all its standard operating procedures, but it's all in Chinese, so unfortunately we can't use it. Okay, and we have a charging cable inside with USB to micro USB. It has a very elegant yet simple design, and it has a translucent matte material which feels like durable, and it looks beautiful, very beautiful. I believe it will easily fit in your pocket, and it's light and comfortable when you hold it. Yeah. Okay, so as you can see, there's no physical button in it. It just has a touch sensor on each side for pause, play, or maybe power it off. Depends on how long you will hold it. And it's in ear, so when you fit that in on your both ears, some people might not find it comfortable, but it fits perfectly for me. The Mi AirDots will last up to 4 hours of continuous music, or you can use the case to recharge it. Total will be 12 hours. And in recharging the case and the Mi AirDots itself, you just use a micro USB cable, and there's a light indicator in the front. So that light will change white color if it's already fully charged. Well, honestly, I'm liking this already. I can't wait to test it. Don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and wait for my review for this one. Alright, until next time. Bye.